In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Claude Code within a corporate Windows environment. By following these steps, you will navigate the challenges presented by corporate security measures and successfully implement Claude Code without encountering common issues. First, it is essential to understand the limitations imposed by your corporate environment. Typically, corporate Windows setups involve a proxy or firewall that blocks direct HTTPS connections. Additionally, endpoint security or antivirus software may intercept SSL traffic, causing errors. Group policies might restrict script execution, and you often lack admin rights for installations. Ignoring these configurations can lead to silent failures or SSL errors when using Claude. To install Node and Claude Code without admin rights, start by downloading the node.js zip file instead of the installer. Navigate to the node.js download page and select the Windows binary zip for the long-term support version. Once downloaded, extract the zip file to a writable folder, such as C, uses your main tools, nod. After extraction, you will need to temporarily add this directory to your path in PowerShell by executing the command $env_path. This enables you to run Node without requiring admin privileges. Next, you can install Claude Code locally without needing a global installation. In the same PowerShell window, run the command npm install at anthropic a/Claude Code. Once the installation is complete, you can execute Claude by typing npx Claude. This approach helps you avoid any issues related to admin permissions during installation. If your corporate network requires a proxy, you will need to configure environment variables accordingly. Consult your IT department to obtain the correct proxy URL, which will typically follow the format HTTP username password at proxy.com port forward. In PowerShell, set the HTTPS proxy environment variables using the commands $endem HTTPS ox username password at proxy.com port and $endem HTTPS proxy.com port. If permitted, you can make these settings permanent by using the setx command for both variables. Corporate antivirus or firewalls may also inject their own root certificates, which can interfere with Node's SSL functionality. To address this, you will need to export the corporate root certificate from Windows, open certmgo.mse, navigate to the Trusted Root Certification Authority section, and export the relevant certificate. After exporting, inform Node to trust this certificate by setting the node_optns environment variable with the command setx node_optns use OpenSyngsCar carlsec operate root.pen. Restart PowerShell and test the configuration by executing npx claude-debug to ensure that SSL and certificate errors are resolved. When using Claude in a corporate environment, it is advisable to avoid GUI or interactive prompts, as these may be blocked. Instead, always use non-interactive scripts. For example, run npx Claude generate summary of C projects report.docs-jashan to generate a summary. If you need to save the output to a file, append the command with summary.json to direct the outputs accordingly. This method ensures compatibility with corporate restrictions. Finally, consider automating your processes in the corporate environment using options that work effectively. Scheduled tasks can run scripts overnight. Git hooks can integrate Claude into your commit pipelines, and C/CD pipelines like Jenkins, Azure DevOps, or GitHub Actions can streamline your workflow. Avoid trying to run interactive terminals on corporate machines, as this can trigger firewall or policy violations. Always remember to verify logs by running npx claude-debug to monitor any issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.